Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on our 2015 Ford Explorer, and it's right behind our glove box. We're going to show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is go underneath the glove box and pull these clips out. There's a white clip right here, and you want to pull that out, and then go over here to this one and pull that one out. And sometimes they fall out, but that's fine, you can put it back in. All right, open up your glove box here. And on the side, you'll see a little pin here. Just slide it down. And it pops right out. Okay, and now it pops right out. And you have two tabs right here. There's a tab here and a tab here. Just lift those tabs up and pull down, and your glove box falls out. Now we have access to the cabin air filter, which is right here. There's a tab here and a tab here. So if you just pull it down, pull towards you on this tab, it should pop right out, okay? All right, now here's your cabin air filter. Let's see how bad ours is. It's not too bad. Our filter didn't have an arrow on it as to which way the airflow is, but if you can't tell, get a piece of paper. This is our inspection sticker. Shove it in there, and you'll see that it's being sucked down. So the airflow is going down. So our airflow arrows, it says that's where you want the airflow to go. And since the airflow is going down, that's how we're going to do it. We're going to put it in just like this. There we go. All right, now she's in. Get our cover. Line up these tabs here at the top and just press it in. So I'm going to grab this, pull this down, and I'm going to line this up with the holes like that. You can hear it pop in, and then put this back in right there. There we go. All right, and that's pretty much how you do it. And now you just push your clips back in like that, and this one over here like that. And that's how you change out your cabin air filter of your 2015 Ford Explorer. We had an STP cabin air filter with the numbers 1885P. You can go to any auto store, request one for your car, and they'll give it to you. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.